In this problem, we're given information about how two cars are traveling. They both are going to basically end up making the two legs of a triangle for us. So the first one's traveling north at 25 miles an hour, and so we'll call that dy dt is equal to 25. And then the other one is traveling east at 60 miles an hour, and so we'll call that dx dt, and that's going to be equal to 60. In this problem, what they're wanting us to calculate out here is how fast the distance between them is increasing. And so we're being asked to find dz dt. The beautiful thing about this problem, because dz dt is also changing, we can go ahead and just use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing piece, and there's really not any calculus involved in this. So we just do our a squared plus b squared equals c squared Pythagorean theorem equation. So a would be the 25, so 25 squared plus, and then 60 squared is going to equal c squared. We go ahead and grab our calculator real quick and figure out what that value is. So I open up my calculator and move it to the side here so I can see what I'm doing. And I do 25 squared plus 60 squared. And I go ahead and hit enter, and that gives me 4,225. So 4,225 equals c squared. I then need to get c by itself, so I just square root both sides. So c is equal to, and then again pull up the calculator and take the square root of the answer we just got. So 4,225, and hit enter. And out of there we get 65. So our c value, our dz dt, is going to be 65 in this situation. So if you get the two-car problem, it's as simple as just doing a Pythagorean theorem setup. A squared plus b squared equals c squared, and find the final answer.